Well, Ann Labby, we're getting another train for you. Here we go. I hear them. I hear the train. Just focus on the tracks right there. You can see you'll see another train coming down the tracks, Ann Labby, for you. So this is my standing ground for the train. I'm sorry to see if you can stand right there and get another, like a big close-up of the train. If we can. Right there. Perfect view of the train. Here he comes. Here he comes. Go get him. Go get him, people. Go get the train, Ian. Go get the train. Go get it, buddy. Here he comes. Now you can have a clear view of the train now, Ann Labby. We're standing right there on the railroad tracks. Well, not on the railroad tracks. We're standing on the grass, but here does come the train, though. Here he comes. You're gonna see him. Ready, Ann Labby? Here he comes. Wave hi to the train. Here he comes. There he is. Oh yeah. There he is. Wow. Wow. That's a big train. Oh my goodness. Wow, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. Holy moly. Wow. That train is like huge, man. Oh my God. Wow. Like I said, Ann Labby, another train video for you. Another train video for you there, sweetie. There you go. Wow. That train is like massive, dude. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. It keeps going and going and going and going. Oh my. Train, train, train. Here we go. That's a big one. Oh my God. Wow. Holy moly, dude. I haven't seen a train this big in my whole life. Wow. And there goes the locomotive. Whee! There we go. Awesome. Oh my God, this train keeps going forever, dude. Forever. Whoa. Look. It keeps going, 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 going. It's still going, Ann Labby. It's still going, the train. It's still going. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you looking at this, Ann Labby? Jeez. Jeez, I'm crow. Wow. Look at this. Look at this, Ann Labby. I can't believe how big this train is. Oh my God. Wow, dude. It just keeps going. It's still going, Ann Labby. The train is still going. It's going forever. It's going forever. We're still standing here and still watching the train go by. Oh my God. That is a big, massive freight train. I've never seen a freight train that long in my whole life. In my whole life. This train is massive. Oh my God, dude. Wow. And there she goes. That's the end of the train. Goodbye, train. We'll catch some more trains for you later, Ann Labby. Love you, girl. Bye.